Good morning and welcome to the vlog. So just got most of my early morning routine done. It is raining outside. It sounds really nice. And I am now getting us set up to have breakfast. So yesterday I made a big batch of granola. And now I got this huge bowl of granola that I keep out on the counter with its lid here. So I'm getting ready to dish out some granola. And for a fresh fruit on the side, I'm probably going to slice up some apples. And my husband heads off for work usually fairly early in the mornings, so I pack him both breakfast and lunch. So for his packed breakfast that he'll be bringing with him tomorrow, so he has yesterday's packed breakfast that he's having today, I just got a little box of raisins and a container of granola. And that is somebody right there waiting for it to stop raining. And breakfast is served, complete with some liquid vitamins and minerals. To pee or not to pee? That is the question. We just finished our morning portion of homeschool, so while the kids are working on their morning school assignments, it's time for me to exercise. nice 1-hour workout. I got cleaned and ready for the day, and now I am off to do my housework, and then it'll be time for lunch. I'm working on lunch right now. We're going to have some sweet potatoes and some spaghetti squash. And going into my husband's packed lunch for him to eat tomorrow is a sweet potato and some vegetables and rice that I had left over in the fridge. And lunch is served. This last observation referred to the obscure gallery and was indicated to us by the compass. "Now, Harry," cried the professor in an enthusiastic tone of voice, "we are truly about to take our first step into the interior of the earth, never before visited by man since the first creation of the world. You may consider, therefore, that at this precise moment our travels really commence." As my uncle made this remark, he took in one hand the Ruhmkorff coil apparatus, which hung around his neck, and with the other he put the electric current into communication with the worm of the lantern, and a bright light at once illuminated. So 15-year-old is taking the dog out for her walk. We have a break in the rain, and it's supposed to start raining again in a little bit. And while she's doing that, I'm going to go over some homeschool. Preparations for some of tomorrow's meals. So tomorrow's going to be busy, so I'm just going to have some type of supper meat going in the crock pot all day tomorrow. I have chicken I've taken from the freezer, so I am just going to dump frozen chicken here in my crock pot. Then this is going to go into the garage refrigerator, so I'll set that to the side. And then I will just get that going tomorrow morning, and it can slow cook all day, and I will do something with that for tomorrow night's supper. Tomorrow's lunch is already handled, so I'm going to work on part of tomorrow's breakfast, which is going to be a vanilla chia seed pudding. So I'm going to get a bowl. Let's see, I got to pick a good size here. If I can get a lid to match, you probably know how that goes. Ta-da! Okay, get some chia seeds. Ooh, I am going to need some more chia seeds. I think I actually have another package in the pantry. I will need to check, because if not, I need to get that on my grocery list. So I'm going to do a half a cup of chia seeds. That wasn't quite a full half. Well, hello, Nikita. My dog has come to visit. Alright, and to that, I like to use unsweetened vanilla almond milk, so I'm going to put in 2 cups of that. Ein and zwei. For a bit of sweetness, I'm going to use pure maple syrup. We only use pure. If we run out of pure, then I'll just make a syrup like if we're having pancakes. But otherwise, we like the pure real maple syrups for everything that we use maple in. So for my chia seed pudding, I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of pure real maple syrup. The kids tried some store-bought, maple syrup, one of the cheap type, the other day, and they couldn't stand it. I don't blame them. We like the pure real stuff. Okay, Okay, and then I'm just going to eyeball approximately a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And let me find a whisk. Here we go. And I'm going to get this all whisked together. And this is all very liquidy right now and not at all pudding-like, but it will set in the fridge, and by tomorrow it will be the consistency of a nice pudding. And I love chia seed pudding, and it's a great source of omega-3s. So I'm going to put this with my crock pot of chicken into the garage refrigerator, and this will be ready tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning I'll just take it out, give it a mix so it's not clumpy, and I'll probably serve it in glass sundae dishes with berries sprinkled on top. So that's all I need to do for my food preparations for today. I am doing something I consider a necessary evil. I am sewing. I hate sewing, but it's a necessary evil because entropy exists. So here I sit with my granny glasses on, sewing. The squeaking would be my dog. She is a puppy, and she plays. And she was trying to give me a toy. Hi. What you doing? She tried to help. Get it! And the school is being finished up for the day. So we're heading into my evening routine and getting ready to put stuff away. And my doggie and I are sitting out on the porch. My husband is on his way home, and we like to greet him whenever we can.
Hey, ever-lovin'.
Welcome home, my cutie.
Ever-lovin'.
We are out running a quick little errand, and the rain has begun again. So I don't know if it is the spectrum of light in this rainstorm hitting my planter at certain angles or what, but this is the perfect shade of brown right now in planters. The color, I hope it's translating on camera because it is making me so happy to look at it. This is a compact size Franklin Covey Anna in the color that they call caramel. Alright, so now I'm doing some of my sit down type work. I am going over the budget, make sure everything is kosher there, and I have a big fun exciting weekend coming up, so I'm doing a little bit of planning on that, and clearly we are back home from our errand.
Let me get an angle.
My husband decided it would be fun to do kind of a relaxing, fun, rainy day family night. And that sounds fun to me. So we're all going to go on out and get some takeout for supper. And then we're going to come home and rent a movie and have supper and a movie.
Went a movie.
Yeah, we're going to rent a movie.
Soft, sweet.
We are back home. We got our food. My husband is setting up the movie rental on the TV right now. So we're going to relax and have dinner and a movie. And that concludes this vlog. Have a blessed day.